This episode, we finally sail under the Golden Gate Bridge. Karoline go to her first baseball game. We meet some of the people from the Baja, enjoy some of the sunset from the Bay Area, and we got real close to get ran over by a freighter.
So this is day 4. We're about 5 hours from Coos Bay, and we haven't had wind for at least 12 hours. And this is what it looks like behind me. And we're getting to San Francisco, and let me tell you, it's not warm yet. I hope it's warmer on land than it is on the sea, because I don't know if you saw how many layers I'm wearing, but not warm. That's why we're going to Mexico, right? So we're about 36 miles now. I just saw Point Reyes through the fog, barely. Can't really see. But I'm getting excited. Getting excited. Yeah, we're supposed to do that in 5 to 7 days. We'll end up doing a few stops along the way, but we're almost there. So slow down, baby. Come on. Whoa. Whoa! Put the brakes. Whoa, this is gigantic. Put on reverse.
Sailing in the bay. So are you doing like a certain knot right now, or?
Yeah, I think you're right. Yeah. So at this time, that's when we go on the winch.
Okay, so you need me to winch now?
Yes, please.
Okay. Is this cloth supposed to be in here?
Huh? No.
Kona, move!
So when you're ready.
Yep, ready?
Okay, go. I like going down there a lot better.
Okay, when I'm filming you, try and talk about something relevant.
So we're sailing right now to Sausalito. I keep calling it Sausalito and Karoline hates me for it. So anyway, there's the Baja crew reunion / party / I don't know, find out. I'm pretty excited about that. Fiona, no. And yeah, right now we're in a close call. Try to get there for 3:30. Is that the plan?
Well, we're meeting those people at 3 o'clock.
Cool.
We have to be there well before 3:30.
Yeah. So we have to anchor and get the dinghy ready.
That's Treasure Island. That's where we were anchored for the last couple days. There's the Bay Bridge that connects Oakland just behind Eric.
That's a nice spot. That was pretty calm.
Yeah, the Bay Bridge connects downtown San Francisco.
Any puzzle and you want any more, buy a boat. It took me about an hour to take this thing off. Try to I don't know, try every single angle.
What do you think, Kona?
Yeah, you like the boat life. Alright. Let's go fix it now.
Beautiful day in Berkeley, California, and the San Francisco in the background. We were lucky enough to stay at the Berkeley Yacht Club just over there. Now we're going to Santa Cruz!
Oh yeah, I heard there's a bunch of hippies and surfers there, so I'm looking forward to it.
Yeah, I forgot about that.
After fixing the muffler, we realized there's a few more cracks than expected and had to turn around. Luckily, we found this replacement to a shop close by. Right after fixing the muffler, we had a hot water fitting burst and had to fix that too before heading out again.
Buy a boat, they said. It's gonna be fun, they said.
Leaving Berkeley after we had a fun day of repairs. We're going over to Sausalito so we can catch the slack tide at 6 a.m. tomorrow. We are currently going 5 knots with how much wind?
We have about 10 knots of wind.
10 knots of wind! Sailing in the bay is so exhilarating. Okay, try and show you guys the view. We almost got ran over by a big tanker because one of the jib sheets went loose while we were tacking, and then it got all tangled and it was really chaotic and stressful. Sailing really stresses me out. I actually don't really like it that much. Jesus. Oh, just mildly terrifying. Jesus Christ. Oh my god.
Some of the sheet, please.
Kona, tell me how you like Sausalito. You kind of close in there, right?
So we were supposed to leave this morning at 6 a.m. However, at 2:30 a.m. our anchor started dragging. There was crazy winds up to 35 knots apparently. And yeah, we were dragging, we woke up, there was boats uncomfortably close to us, so in a panic we ran outside in our underwear. We tried to get the anchor up, but the windlass was being a bitch and basically just didn't want to cooperate. So I was struggling with that, trying to get the chain up. It just got stuck constantly. Eric was on the helm and it was blowing really hard, which made the weather helm pretty intense. Yeah, so we had fun 3 hours from 2:30 to about 5:30 in the morning trying to fix that. Now Eric is looking at the windlass, trying to make this easier, because obviously we're going to be anchoring a lot. It's a windlass.
Yeah, and this is where we kind of get stuck here most of the time. So we just kind of get jammed here, and it's kind of, yeah, when you have 2-3 foot wave and plunging over the bow, it's kind of a challenging situation. But yeah, so now I kind of grind a bit already, and I'll just do more, and that should help the chain not getting stuck in here, in or out. So
and then obviously the chain goes through the windlass and pulls up the anchor, which didn't hold very well when we were over there. That's where we were last night. And now we're on this glorious thing called a mooring ball, courtesy of Sausalito Yacht Club. We emailed them in a panic this morning at 6 a.m. being like, this is what happened. Can you please let us use your mooring ball and let us figure out life? And they've been super accommodating. They even drove Eric to the marine shop to get parts and offered to help.
yeah,
It's really nice people.
helpful.
It's funny, people think that yacht clubs are just a bunch of snobs, but they've been really, really helpful.
Okay.
Oh, let's show them our demented toes.
Oh, my toe?
Both of ours. So, because of all the chaos yesterday, I sprained my pinky toe.
I think I broke mine. I can't fold it anymore.
Eric probably broke his toe.
Yeah.
That nail's gonna be pretty fucked for the rest of time.
Here's go my foot model carrier.
Covered in bruises. Pretty banged up.
Alright.
Please help us keep afloat by supporting us via Patreon. You'll get access to exclusive VIP updates, and this will keep our adventure and filming going for longer. XOXO, Eric and Karoline.